I'm going to show you how to split text quickly in PE Design. First off, I'm in Microsoft Paint. You can use any graphics program you like. I'm going to click on the text tool and type in my name. And then I'm going to select it and then copy it. When I go to layout and editing, what I want to do is I want to go to Design Center. So for Option, Design Center, I'm just going to close the wizard. Image, open from clipboard. I'm going to go to Line Image, click on the black, click OK. I can edit here, but that's not what this lesson is. I'm going to go to Figure Handle, click OK. And yes, it could use a little editing here, but again, I want to show you how to split text. But first off, I'm looking at this and saying, I want this a little taller. So I'm going to click on everything, and I'm going to press and hold the Control key as I'm clicking on them so I can get all of the pieces and then make it taller. Much better. Now, what I want to do next is input a line. Decide where it starts, press and hold the Shift key, and now no matter where my cursor is, it's a straight line. That's assuming you want a straight line. Double click. You could also have fun and say, well, I don't want it all to be straight lines. You could do something like that. I'm going to right click and say, no, I really want a straight line. Press and hold the Shift key, double click. And that's actually too far apart, so I'm going to move this one up and maybe move this one down. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go to Sew Settings, and I'm going to turn off the sewing for the line. I don't want the name outlined. Just as you can see, it turns off that heavy line and makes it into a dash line, which means no sewing. I'll go to Region and fill the top. And I'm going to do every section a different color, just so when we go to layout and editing, you can see what happens. And one more color for the bottom. Oh, and while we're at it, I am going to change the color of this line just so you can see it. And I'm going to make that a running stitch. No, a triple stitch. I turn that to green. And now normally, for what I really want to do, I wouldn't even color in the center section. But I just want to show you another way how to delete it if you change your mind. Send to Layout and Editing. I can make it larger. Sure, let's make it bigger. Nope, that's as big as it'll go. All right, there it is. And because I can't really see that bottom color, I'm going to go ahead and change it. There we go. Now what I want to do is get rid of that pink section. So I'm going to make sure it's selected, go up to Stitches, Divide by Color, and I can choose this pink one from the sewing order. Click on the arrow and press Delete. Let's look at that in the realistic view. There it is. Easy.